Welcome to my YouTube channel, JuneDIY Paint. I'm so glad you're here. The past 2 years have been busy for me as I've been running my own eyelash beauty spa. Though it's been a lot of work, I've gained so much experience and growth. Today, I want to share a special piece of art that I created, which will be displayed in my salon. I spent about 3 hours working on this abstract painting of a woman. Every brushstroke is filled with my emotions and thoughts. Through this piece, I hope to express the beauty, strength, and grace of women, and it really moves me. Life always comes with challenges, but I believe that we must stay positive and keep moving forward. This painting for me is not just an artwork, but also a symbol of the strength I draw from difficult moments. If you like my work and support me, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to sharing more creations and stories with you in the future.